Amid rising tensions between India and Pakistan after the terror attack in Pahalgam, Pakistan has paused all trade with India, closed the Wagah border, and blocked airspace for Indian airlines. It has also threatened to suspend all agreements with India, including the Shimla Pact. The signing of this agreement was a pivotal moment in India-Pakistan relations as it led to de-escalation through bilateral discussions between the two countries. Let's take a closer look at what this agreement entailed. The Shimla Agreement was signed on July 2nd in 1972 and came into effect a month later. This was after India intervened in East Pakistan's fight for independence in 1971. India's involvement was a decisive move here. It led to an India-Pakistan war and eventually to the formation of Bangladesh. The cross-border tensions between India and Pakistan were at an all-time high. That is when then Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and Pakistani President Zulfikar Ali Bhutto signed the Shimla Agreement. It aimed to normalize the relations and bring the long-standing conflict to an end. Now let us break down the key outcomes of the Shimla Agreement for you. Both India and Pakistan agreed to resolve disputes through peaceful negotiations without the intervention of a third party. This was particularly relevant for the Kashmir issue. The ceasefire line between India and Pakistan was validated as the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And both countries agreed that neither side will try to alter it unilaterally despite being at odds. The agreement also led to the withdrawal of armed forces from the border to their respective sides, marking a significant step towards de-escalation. What's more, provisions were laid for future diplomacy. The heads of the government agreed to hold bilateral talks and establish lasting peace. But now Pakistan is threatening to suspend the Shimla Pact, taking its ties with India to a new low. Arzu Tawar for NDTV.